Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So the next thing I want to explain to you is the structure مثلا ما. Okay. So إن الله لا يستحي أن يضرب مثلا ما. Now this ma is not a negative ma. It's not istifham ma. It's what you call, there's two names for it. One's called Ibn Hisham, he says in Qawaid al-Arab, nakiratan mawsufan biha. Mawsufan biha basically is a sifa. Or not. Or also called ma ibhamiyya. What does this mean? When you want to describe, there's a nakira word. What do we have? A nakira word. And you want to create double or emphatic nakiraness. Excuse the English. You want to create double ambiguity. Any. You want to create what? Any. What do? Ma. Yes? So for example, you could say, لِأَمْرٍ مَا, for some reason or the other. لِأَمْرٍ مَا فَعَلَ ذَلِكَ, for some reason or other. فِي مَكَانٍ مَا هُنَاك, some place over here. You understand? In Madinah Munawwara we say, مَرَّ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ بِمَكَانٍ مَا هُنَا. The Prophet ﷺ may have passed by one of any of these places here. Do you understand? Yeah, so it's a ma, like a sifa, and it kind of means any. So the nakira of mathalan becomes even more nakira. You get it? It's called, so in Hisham says, nakira mawsufan biha, a nakira word via which you bring a sifa. Meaning it's a sifa. Or others call it ibhamiyya. It does what? It emphasizes the nakiranis, the ambiguity of the mathala. Do you understand? Fahimtum? Yes? And then, so Allah is not ashamed to strike any parable. So the ma means any, put the mud on the alif, on the a. Any parable. I don't know how to do it in English, but you got the idea. Yes? So ma translated as what? Mud on the alif. Yeah, but you get, no, that's not joking, but you get it. Any, or any parable at all. So that meaning comes about. And then ba'udha is in the badal of the mathalan. Yes, Allah is not ashamed to strike a parable of a what? Mosquito. And once we're here, we can do the next one as well. ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا. Mathalan becomes what? It's two possibilities, either hal or it's tamyiz. Whatever the Arab is, in terms of meaning, we all translate it as what? This parable. And I said to you before, normally we would have said بهذا المثل. Normally, بهذا المثل. But you change style, you change structures, you make it tamyiz, hal. It's a stylistic way the Arabs speak. When you read more poetry, you realize that it's not just simple baby language that we speak. They use these structures. Instead of having a musharrah, they have a tamyiz. Rubbahu rajulan. And it's the way of style, like, you know, so what we're learning like basic rules, it's like kindergarten kind of language. And when you read more poetry, more literature, you realize that, okay, these sounds are common. So in our translation, it would be بِهَذَا الْمَثَلِ, in our minds, in our, like how we would understand it to mean. But in terms of Arab, it's mathal, and they change these things to create additional meaning and focuses, etc. But in terms of translation, it will be the same as the musharrah ilayh. But in Arab, it's halan, tamyiz. You got it?